Hi everybody, welcome back to One Twist Tip. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can message first on Tinder. So messaging first is very easy on Tinder. To get started, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. Now from the appear screen, go ahead and tap on your chat section. Now here it will show you all the matches that you have matched with and show you all the messages. And in order to message first, what you have to do is simply go ahead and select any person, and in the message box you have to do is type down casual hello and talk with them politely. And this is how easily you can message first on Tinder. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.